Are you frustrated that you don't know precisely what a word means in sessions? I hear you. When I was first learning Arabic, I was very confused about what ana was, what inti was. I know some clients, when they experience things like hearing the word ana and think someone's name is Anna, or you might see a picture of an old man and wonder, is that an old man? Is that a grandfather? Is that an elder? What is the word? It actually took me several weeks. But even if you don't know precisely what you're learning, that's kind of part of the process. And as you progress, it will get clearer. This happens to almost all of our learners when they're experiencing Arabic immersion for the first time. We know you won't have precise understanding of a word, but the lack of immediate clarity gives you a gift. Immersion forces you to discover what things mean. And through this discovery process, the knowledge you gain will be able to stick better in your brain and you'll eventually have a better understanding. But we know you're gonna have to slog through some confusion initially. So if you have any questions, please let us know. But do know that if you're a little confused, it's kind of part of the process.
Start your Arabic journey with a free trial at Arabius.com.